Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Teddy channel. I'm Ken, and today I wanted to discuss an NFT project that I'm not sponsored by, but I'm very intrigued, called Siimplex. Now before I begin, I want to make sure that I'm very clear about this. I am not a financial advisor, and I recommend that you reach out to your financial advisor before spending any money on anything in this space. NFTs are known as non-fungible tokens, and I will leave a video in the description below to give you a history about what that is. Now, I came across this project a few weeks ago on a site called Rarity Tools. This site ranks NFTs as well as lets you know about upcoming projects on when to mint them or purchase. Siimplex is a group of strangers that became a family that want to put out a little under 10K unique design 3D generated Vox style characters that live on the blockchain. The roadmap shows things from a billboard sign out in Times Square, as well as a plot of land in the metaverse where Siimplex holders can interact with, to limited edition figures and more. Now, I personally did my research on this group. I saw they had a project prior to this, which they decided to refund everyone that minted the old project called Deadfellers, and started this new one called Siimplex. I will leave a link to that story in the description below as well. Before we get into minting, you will need to download and set up a wallet called MetaMask. If you are new to the crypto space, this is for you. If you're not new and you already have a MetaMask wallet, you can stick around, or you can click on the next chapter and see how to mint this NFT. Once at the site, you can download MetaMask for Chrome, iOS, or Android. In this case, I did iOS. All right, on your iOS device, you go to the App Store, search for MetaMask Blockchain Wallet. I, of course, already have it, so this is open. For you, we'll say get. Once you have it installed, you would have to follow a process of onboarding, which is to secure your wallet, and that involves copying down your 12-word phrase. Now, to make this very clear, do not, and I repeat, do not give this to anyone. This is only for you, so please copy it down, put it in a safe place. Once validated, you will come across a screen where you now have your MetaMask and ready to go. Next step will be to fund your wallet with Ethereum. I am not sponsored by Coinbase or MetaMask, even though I wish I was. But I use Coinbase as my primary exchange, and I use it with wallets like MetaMask, Ledger, and others to move my coins off the exchange and keep them safe, and with me as the owner of said coins. I'll put another video out there on how to set up a Ledger wallet, which is one of my favorites. But for now, there's a link below on how to access Coinbase if you do not have one already. But if you use that link, you will get up to $10 in Bitcoin once you deposit $100 or more into your account. As well, I have a link to the first video I've done, which shows you how to secure your Coinbase account. Sorry for the audio in advance. If you click on that link and sign up, once you're all set and you approve, you can come back to this part of the video to continue. Once you're all set in Coinbase, you can search for Ethereum and purchase at least $55 to $60 to mint one of the Siimplex NFTs. This will cover gas fees, etc. Once you purchase this $55 to $60, you will copy that wallet address from your MetaMask, go back into Coinbase, click on Send Ethereum, paste that address, and send. Once completed, you will see the $55 to $60 worth of Ethereum in your MetaMask. Minting is more like pre-ordering of an NFT before it goes live to the public. When you mint an NFT, you normally don't know what it is until it's minted. As well, the price is set by the developers, and you will receive your NFT when the date goes live. In most cases, if you want, you can wait, purchase the NFT that you prefer, of course, but it will be at a different price, mostly higher, and it might be sold by the developers or by those who minted it prior to the go live date. Now, if you know anything about Bored Apes, you know currently the prices for one of those items is set about 6 figures, right? Where around this time last year when they were minted at $200 plus. So you could take that into consideration. Now, to mint this NFT, we'll go back to the website. We will click on Mint. You'll click on Go to MetaMask Mobile. Once you do that, it will automatically connect your wallet for you, or it will ask you a few steps. Of course, I'm already connected, so that's probably why it went right through it. But either way, you have to connect your MetaMask wallet to the site. Once connected, you hit connect to MetaMask wallet. Then of course here now you can choose the number that you want, and you're going to click on Mint now. Once you do that, a screen will pop up letting you know how much your balance is, how much it will cost to mint one of these NFTs, along with the gas fees. In this case, it's $35 plus the gas fees, which would be around $3 and change. And of course, the price will change depending on what Ethereum is at the moment. So keep that in mind. This is the reason why I said about $55 to $60, just to be safe, to cover what you need to. Once you're all set, you hit confirm, and then you wait. As it says, please wait. Once it's complete, you will receive your one Siimplex have been minted. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. You have just minted one of the Siimplex NFTs. Now, to view your NFT, you will then go to OPenSea. Now, OPenSea is one of the top NFT exchanges. Once at OPenSea, you can connect your wallet. Click on MetaMask. The same account that you see here, same wallet address, you hit connect. Once you connect your wallet, you will now click on the account tab, click on profile, and then you will see all the Siimplex NFTs that you've minted. The reveal of these NFTs will happen Tuesday the 29th. Depending on when you're watching this video, that is the following Tuesday coming up. If not, this is already passed. So you can follow them on Twitter, Siimplex NFT, or on their Discord to get some inside perks. Now, reminder, please, people, on Discord, there's a lot of scammers. Again, do not give any of your private keys or phrases to your wallet to anyone. All right, this wraps up this video. Please, if this was helpful, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.